today I'm going to show you how to decorate your bath bubbles and bath salt. You can make it into a gift or you can just put it in your bathroom and enjoy it yourself. So for that you're going to need any type of bath salt that you like. I got the one that is detoxifying and energizing, and then some bath bubbles, and these ones are blueberry and they're totally for adults. I also got some jars from the dollar store. I got this one for the bath salt and I got this one for my bath bubbles. What I would like to do is I would like to make a rainbow out of layers of salt in here, and for that we're going to be using food coloring, and I'm going to be using some sparkles and glitters that I'll be adding to it. I will be using these little cups to mix up my salt in it, and it looks like each layer we need about 6 spoons or so. Now that I've got about the equal amount in each cup, I'm going to add a couple of drops of food coloring to each. And here it looks like I have blue, green, and yellow. I'm going to start with 2 drops and see how bright that turns out. And it looks like it is pretty bright. Oh yeah, yellow and blue, and now green. Okay, so I don't quite like the look of the red one as much. It turned out more orangey, so I'm gonna try and add 1 drop of the blue in here and see if I can make it go more purple. Could turn out dark brown, but we'll see. Okay, so somehow that didn't work, and it did turn out the dirt brown. Don't exactly want that in my bath salt, so I'm just redoing the red one again. So my next step is going to be to add some glitter. Beautiful. And now for the funnest part is layering them over here. I'll try to make it as flat as I can. And now I cannot move it as much, because if I do, I will end up ruining my perfect line. Alright, so now that I have the salt in here, I'm going to make a label for it, and this is the paper that I picked out for the label. Now I'll write down bath salt on it. Now I'm going to use a clear Elmer's glue to just glue it down. I would like to actually add 1 little detail in it. I think a round of those glitter sparkle thingies would look really good on them. And that is what my jar looks like. Next, we're going to work on the bath bubbles. And this one should be a lot easier than the salt. Not that the salt was hard, but I'm just gonna take off the cap and pour some bubbles in here. Oh. I'll be right back. Right after I clean everything up. Okay, so we poured the bubbles, we cleaned the mess off the table. Next, I'm going to add some glitter in here. And for this one, I'll use this dark blue. Make sure to spill some on your table so that you can have it all over your apartment later. I do prefer it to be pink, but I guess blue is okay too. Okay, so it doesn't want to mix in, but it's falling. So it is kind of a marble effect, which is really cool. My next step will actually be to add some glitter to this bottle as well. I didn't plan on it originally, but I think to match the other bottle, we're gonna need to add some. And now for the last part. you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know how much mess you had to clean up if you decided to do those like I did. Because I'm looking around and I'm gonna have glitter in here for days. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!